So let's cut some pieces of chicken up.
Ready? And this is boneless, skinless thighs.
Boneless. Oh, we love thighs.
Yes, we do.
So we're going to take, and I would say there's 3 of us, so maybe a cup and a half of chicken. And as we put that chicken in, I want a little flavor in that chicken. So I'm going to put some soy and a little bit of black pepper in there. I'm going to make a sauce. This is soy. I'm going to go probably 2 tablespoons. I'm going to take fish sauce. Now a little dab will do you on this, but I'm going to go at least, you know what, let's go 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. So I'm going to take some brown sugar, some more sweet. All right, I'm going to take some rice wine vinegar. I'm going to put, let's put 2 tablespoons in there. So I'm going to come back with some peanut butter because I like that peanutty taste, and there's some more sweet. All right. Now I'm just going to take a dab of sesame oil. So let's take a teaspoon.
Okay.
And a half. Here is our sauce.
That's what makes it, I think.
All right, so I'm going to warm my skillet up. Now, you want to start everything you do almost with a warm skillet. So I'm going to just turn the little middle part of that burner on. All right, so I'm taking my chicken out. I'm trying to drain most of the soy off of it. Then I'm going to come back with just a little cornstarch. So I'm just going to spread some cornstarch in there and just kind of mix that up. Let the cornstarch stick to that. Take some oil. Use whatever kind of oil you like. That's a lot of chicken.
But we're hungry. We're starving.
Doesn't that look wonderful?
It does.
Look at that beautiful chicken.
Yummy.
I gotta eat that.
I know
Make
it.
a meal out of it. With garlic, what you want? It's fresh, small pieces, and to get that flavor throughout everything. And garlic press, boom, shoots it right out there. You're good to go. So we're gonna take our garlic. And remember, with your garlic, you don't want it to overcook because it gets a little bitey. Now, a lot of recipes call for bean sprouts. We don't have any bean sprouts. I do want some green in here. Just a little bit of cabbage. Some people put tofu. I'm not gonna.
Yeah. Yummy.
Now I'm just gonna lightly toss this. Oh, you know what, Miss Farmer? Let's get some water going. We gotta get some noodles going.
Okay.
All right, one thing when you're at the store, I'm not making my own rice noodles.
Oh, yeah.
Not gonna happen.
Well, easy to buy.
But you can buy those in the store just about anywhere. Let that go for a few minutes. Nikki, why don't you take some of that cilantro
Okay.
and chop that up just a little bit.
Just the tops of it you want?
Yeah.
All right.
So let's strain these noodles.
Alrighty.
Something else I gotta do here, Mrs. Farmer. Take my green onion, cut it up. Now it's time, Mrs. Farmer, to bring everything together.
Yummy.
The chicken.
Let's see, chicken. Oh.
Now, Mrs. Farmer, if you will, kind of drizzle that in.
As you
and
stir.
I'll stir stuff around. Go ahead. Now, these are the really fine noodles, and we really had no choice because that's the only thing we had at the store.
Yeah.
All right, now, if you will, chop me some peanuts.
I will, with my famous little chopper.
All right.
Oh.
Everything's coming together. Can't wait to see what you think. Is that a positive?
Very good.
Oh, look at that. Tell me that's not a whole lot like what you would get at a restaurant.
That is so good.
Except it's fresh.
Everything's delicious. The chicken's delicious. The noodles.
That's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It's wonderful.
I need to eat it.
So what we're going to do is, now we're going to eat. We're going to actually sit down this time and eat like normal people. We'll be right back with another recipe. How about it, Ms. Farmer?
Good job.